Hi, I would like to introduce you Introduction to Electric Circuits within this program. First of all, this course is the first professional course that you could see in this program. The other courses are the service courses, but this one is the first professional course within the program. Another first for you for this course is that I will be introducing the course materials through a platform which is called CATS. CATS is the short form of Computer-Aided Training System. So I am going to introduce this platform to you. All my courses, course materials are going to be introduced to you through CATS, and some other teachers might be using this platform as well, so it is worth learning what this platform is about. So I'm going to move now to CATS. But before, I've got to do the screen sharing and then come to CATS. Here we are. So this is the CATS platform. The first line here, on this screen, we are seeing the courses that I am giving within this program. You are not going to see these courses at the same time in your screen, because you will be seeing the courses that you have taken. All the courses that you have taken, you're going to see on this line. Not the courses only, you're going to see also a platform here which is called Students Platform. It is in Turkish, but when you make it English, it's going to be English. The student platform, this platform is the connection between you and the department. So all the other course materials are going to be in the related subject on this line. So we are talking about Introduction to Electric Circuits, so this one. So if you look at this first page now, on the left-hand side, you're going to see the mother page or home page. That is home page. On this same page, you got to see the syllabus. When you click it, you're going to see which week, which subject will be examined. Announcements, these are the announcements from time to time I need to inform you through these announcements. So you're going to see these announcements in here, and these announcements also sent you as a message through your mobile phones. So you could realize that there's a message came to you, and you could see inside the announcement the information, so you can follow it by your mobile phones. For the previous announcements, all the announcements will be seen in this area here. And the second line, on the third, fourth line, we've got assignments. These are the homeworks. So how many homeworks that we're going to have is seen here. Altogether, there are 7 homeworks. And tests and quizzes. And under this, there are self-tests. I will explain what this later on, but altogether there are 9 self-tests. How are you going to process these materials during the learning sessions will be examined in this first things first here. The details are there. How I am going to teach, how we are going to learn, which platforms that we are going to use, the exam details, all of those given in here. And the details of these self-tests and the assignments are also given under this menu. Apart from those, what is here, it is introduction, first things first. So after this video, you're going to see this video here. When you click here, you're going to see the video. The second thing that you've got to watch and follow should be first things first, and then introduction. That introduction is the information that I am going to give you during the first week, first hour. After that, you're going to see all these chapters. These chapters are related with this course. For each chapter, there is one menu here. Randomly, when we click one of them, so what is inside there? So it is separated teaching information here, learning information here, and there are some tools. These are MATLAB tools and the Protos. These are the new tools that you will be facing with. And the student feedback, that is student questionnaire that you can take. And the results of the student questions are going to be seen in this course evaluation menu. So what we are going to see in each chapter is in this format. So I said all that. After that, let's come to the home page once again. So we are talking about this menu, so I finished that menu here. Let's come to the right-hand side now. Right-hand side, after the and under the announcements, you're going to see a calendar. This calendar tells you some information about this course. But I will show it to another course here. So this is a calendar now. You're going to see different colors on this calendar. Each color gives you different type of information. For example, the yellow ones are related to the normal course activity. Which day, which hours, there is a course period. It is explained with that blue. This blue one is, for example, for the last dates for the assignments. And this red one, maybe this is the most important one, tells you when you're going to take the midterm exams. So it is shown on this calendar in red. So when you look at the calendar at the beginning of the semester, you could see when you're going to take which midterm exam, what time, all details are in this. When you click on it, you could go inside. It says midterm 3 exam, CATS exam. So when you click it, go a bit details. When you click the full details, you can see all the details about this exam. So this a useful calendar gives you more information. Another thing that I would like to tell you about the calendar is this. For each course, there is a calendar like that. And at the beginning here, there's a special page which is called My Workspace. You're going to have your own workspace. In this workspace, you've got a calendar as well. So if you go in, decide that when you have a free time, examine this area, you can connect all your courses calendars on this calendar. If you do so, what you see on this calendar in your workspace is related, covers all the activities that you're going to have in each week. And when you click at the date, so you can do the details of these activities. So that means in each week, what the activities are, whether you're going to join them or not, whether it is important for you or not, you can all these activities you could see in this calendar. That is a merge calendar, that is. So I came here from this my course. So this is the calendar only related with this course. If you go to this area, so the calendar shows you covers all the courses that you have taken, not only one. So we explained this. The other messages and forums, I will explain what forum is later on. So you're going to see all these messages and forums in this area. So let's come to this first page, the middle area here. So as I said before, so description of this course, the video that I am preparing for you is going to be seen in this. And there's a recommended reference book So this book is available, you can buy it. It was a good book, but it doesn't mean that all the course materials are the same as in this book. So there are some additional information within this CATS materials. It is strongly recommended to read watch first things first page at the left hand side menu, it says. So after you watch this courses in CATS, we recommend you to read or watch this first things first. What is inside, how this learning process is working here, teaching platform, learning platforms, peer assignments. So assignments are explained here, exams are explained here. You could see all this detail here. So you must watch this area or read this area somehow. So come back to the home page again. So this is what is said here. So self-test is a platform for you to study your own, and the assignments are also a platform for you to study your own. The total number of self-tests is 9, and total number of assignments is 7. So these are the self-studying platforms that offer to you. You're going to study through these platforms, but it doesn't directly affect your semester course score. Why is that? Because the affected ones are the midterms. These are the effective ones. So you could do these exams better if you study those self-tests and the assignments. So these weights of all these midterms are given here. Midterm 1, 10%, midterm 2, 25%, midterm 3, 10%. And the final exam, 55%. So the dates of these exams are going to be seen in here in red, in the calendar, in red. And these midterm 1 and 3 exams are very similar to these self-test exams. And it is, you're going to take these exams on CATS, on computer. So these exams are going to be on computer. This midterm 2 is a written exam, and the weight is a bit higher than the others. So the final exam is also going to be the written exam. So let's come this area now in English and in Turkish. So left hand side English, right hand side Turkish. So you could see here, there is in these first 2 programs, it is explained the relation between this course and the other courses within the program. And you see a new title here, it's called Learning Outcomes. So I can explain that learning outcomes, the things that I'm going to teach you, and you need to learn these learning outcomes related to this course. So there are 7 of them. You might ask, what is the use of these learning outcomes? So if you know all these learning outcomes, from time to time, you can read these learning outcomes and understand what is inside. So what we are saying, what I am saying, if you learn all these learning outcomes, that means the score that you're going to get in the exams are going to be 100. No hesitation. So that means the things that you're going to learn is quite limited. But the quality of that learning should be, is very critical. If you learn those, I am saying that your score is going to be 100. No hesitation. So you can consider this as a contract between the teacher and the student. Teacher says that I'm going to teach you those subjects, and the students must say that I would like to learn those. If there is no any agreement like that, that means there won't be any learning process. So there is another matrix given here. That matrix on the line rows, you're going to see the learning outcomes for this course. There are 7 of them. And in the columns, you're going to see POs. This is program outcomes. What the program outcomes are, you're going to see those in this student page here, student platform. So as I said before, that platform is the relation between the department and the student. If I click here in this program, in this platform, you're going to see all these program outcomes. What is program outcomes? Is the skills that you're going to get at the end of this program is explained here. If you get all these skills, so that means you become an engineer which is accepted all over the world. That's why it is critical. So why there are some skills like that given? So this is accepted in the world. So these are not only for Turkey, this is for general. And then this matrix, I'm going to go back to my course again here. So this matrix shows the relations here, rows and columns. If it is red, that means high level support. If it is black, it is moderate support. If it is this color, it is low level support. That means, for example, learning outcome 3, when you learn this learning outcome 3, at the same time, you're going to get the skills related with the program outcome 1 and program outcome 3. So if you this is only my course. If you consider the all courses within the program, so you're going to get all these skills that is explained here, that is explained in the student platform. Therefore, it is important what you're going to learn in this course, because at the same time, you're going to get the skills which is required by the world around us. Okay, that is the explanation of this course on CATS, and then let's finish it.